Now let's convert area from one unit square to another unit square. So remember that area, the formula is length times width. So area is length times width. So if this measures 2 meters and this is also 2 meters, so that will be 2 meters times 2 meters. Your area is 4 meter squared. So this is telling you that the unit is in squared units. So example number 1, centimeters to millimeters. So previously, if you recall, centimeter to millimeter, that is 1 step. So if this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 10 millimeter to 10 millimeters, that would be 10 times 10. That is equal to 100 millimeter squared unit. Okay, that's the ratio. And then you have 8 here, so times 8. Final answer, 800 millimeters squared units. Example number 2, meter to centimeters. So meter to centimeters, how many steps? 2 steps. 2 steps, that means 100. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so if this is 100, this is 100, so 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters is how many zeros? 4. So that is 10,000 square centimeters, and you have 5 multiplied by 5, so final answer is 50,000 centimeter square. I hope by this time you see the pattern. Next example. Alright, I want to share you the pattern. So from m to centimeters, how many steps? That's why I want you to remember the conversion chart. So that is 2 steps. And we're talking about square. So you multiply it by 2. So this is the total number of spaces you're going to move from left to right. Okay? So if your number is 7, going to the right 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is also adding 4 0. Now opposite. So to the left. So same steps, 4, because CM to M, 4 steps. So move 4 0 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 0 4 meters squared. Meter to centimeter squared, same as number 1, so 4 steps, also to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So final answer is 36,000 centimeter squared. And mm to cm, that is going to the left 1 step times 2, so 2, that means 2 steps to the left, 1, 2, so 94.8 centimeters squared. Then meters to centimeters, it's the same as, okay, so that's 4 steps also, 2.3. So 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So final answer is 23,000 centimeter squared. Let's check our answer if all are correct. Okay, all are correct. So I hope you learned something with area. And now we're going to proceed to the next conversion, volume. So volume is with 3 dimensions. So if this is your length, this is your width, and this is your thickness. So for example, this is 2 centimeters. So since this is a cube, all must be 2 centimeters. So the volume is equal to 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters. So 2 by 2 by 2, 8. So centimeters, 1, 2, 3, cube. Okay, so this is now very important, the cube. So example number 1 here. So I already draw your conversion. So remember that from cm to mm, that is going to the right again, and 1 cm is equal to 10 mm. So 10 times 10 times 10 would be how many? 1000. Okay, so that's 1000 mm cube. Okay, now for meter cube to centimeter cube, how many steps? 2 steps. That's why that is 100. So 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters. So it's also the same with how many zeros? 2, 4, 6. So 6 zeros, we read this as 1 million centimeter cube. Okay, cube, very important because we are talking about volume. Alright, here are the example. Now I want you to remember the technique in the previous topic, which is area. So we first determine how many steps from one unit to another unit, and then we multiply by 3. Okay, so from meter to centimeters, how many steps? That is 2 steps, and then we multiply by 3, that is 6. So that means here your number is 9, and I told you the decimal is always invisible, but it is understood after the digit. So now we are going to move 6 times. See here, 6 times. So move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the same also when we multiply by 1 million. Okay, so the final answer will be 9 million centimeter cube. Okay, now this is opposite, centimeter to meter. Alright, so going to the left, 6 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So final answer 0.12 meter cube. Again, do not forget cube. That is very important part of the unit. So m to cm, it's the same with the first one, that is going to the right, 6 steps. So I will write first 3.2 here for you to see. Then I will move 6 steps to the right. So if I have on 1 digit here, how many more? So 6, and I have 1 here, so 5 more. Okay, 5 more steps. So that will be 5 zeros. So the final answer is 3, 2, and then the 5 zeros. 3, 4, 5. So final answer is 3,200,000 centimeter cube. Okay, now this is meter 2 centimeter. It's the same also. Okay, here in words, here in symbol. So to the right, 6 steps also, but you already have 8, so how many more? 5 steps. So 5 steps or 5 zeros. So 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So final answer is 2,800,000 centimeter cube. Now mm to cm, how many steps? Of course, only one step. One step going to the left. Okay, so one step times the cube, so total 3. So 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Final answer is 32.4 centimeter cube. Let's see if our answer are correct. Okay, 9,000,012 3 and 32.4. Okay, so all our answers are correct. Let's try the following. Pause the video and then see whether you can do it using the technique. Here are the solution. I hope you learned something. Next topic, imperial system.